the fuse box in the car. I'll turn you around in a minute and you can see what I'm looking at. But I've checked most of the fuses are alright in it. But problems, electric problems, we're still having quite a few. No telltale light for left indicator. Electric windows are a bit glitchy. There's a few things that are just no quite right. But give me a few minutes and I'll come back to you. See here, fuse box, and off to the left there's 6 fuses. If you look there, so now really stuffed up here as well. Like someone has suggested to take that out and open it up and see what the solder joints inside it are like. So that might be a possibility yet. So stick with me and we'll see how I progress from here. I might take that box out till I get a look at it. It does look a bit awkward to get into that 10mm that's right in the corner there. There's a 10mm right up there. That's right at the back of that connector. You just can't really see it. There's another one up there. 10mm connector. So stick with me. I'm sure now you can see it now. Just up above my finger. I'm pointing that way. There we go. See it? There's one on this side. So the electrical issues that I'm having at the moment are dip beam not working, telltale light for indicator left hand side, and the windows are a bit erratic. They do work, but not correctly. So I'm going to check that out. Well, that's the fuse box out now. In fact, I've got the fuse box sitting up here. Not really to zoom in close, but a bit of water damage about it. Maybe some points where it could do with soldering if this thing focuses. You can see there has been some water. But I'm going to take it into the house and I'm take contact cleaner with me, and I'm going to take it in and have a look at it and see what we can do from there. It's a bit of a faff to get it out, to be fair. Be careful not to drop the nut on the driver's side because it'll go right down into the door pillar and you can't reach it then. So right pain in the neck. If I was going to be advising anybody to do this, I'd say leave the battery disconnected for half an hour for the sake of earbags. That's if your car has the earbags right now. This one has the earbags. I've seen worse boards than that. So solder wise it doesn't actually look that bad. Up the side there maybe. Still doesn't look that bad, I don't think. I'll come back to you. Again, it's a wee bit of damage in the board up there. It's still not that bad. I've seen a lot worse than that, like. Unworking. So, bit damage down there, I'd say, but shouldn't worse than that. So, leave it with me, and I'll pop back to you in a few minutes. Well, I'll seem like a few seconds for you, like. Right, okay then. We'll talk to you soon. That's it screwed back in. Now, I forgot to take the keys out with me, but I'm not going to bother putting the covers just now. But that's it all. Screwed back in, plugged back up. All the things are back into it anyway. Clip back in and all that. So, we'll take it from there. Right, and I'll let you know how we get on. Okay, so we can see it in a couple of minutes. We'll test it as the battery's flat. So what I've done is I've carried the battery inside, and I'll let you know if that's fixed anything at all. I did quickly try it, and it doesn't appear to have sorted the repeater out, but I won't know about the windows. I was going to try and start the car, but as the battery's flat, it's likelihood, I mean, nothing. So, but well, if you like that, I'll stick in some photos and that of the soldering and that. If you've got any pointers or anything like that, leave them in the comments, and I'll maybe have a look at it. But I did notice when I had the dash out of it that there is dry solder joints on the back of the unit of the instrument cluster. I can hear the relay down here is clicking for the indicator, so it could be an instrument cluster fault. So like I say, if you like that, leave us a like, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.